Hello guys, this is battle against Invincible Ali in Fort Titan. Very small map, jungle map, good for resistance rush. I'm just going to fast forward the resource collection. Got one resource there, two there. The enemy has this avatar, Sultan avatar.
मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं अगर तुम कहो मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं
Already level 2 headquarter for Invincible Ali. I'm also in headquarter too. Now I'll just fast forward it too. Now he's going to rush me. This guy is good, he's fast. Nice. Wow. I need to defend my base. I didn't expect that in Silver League. He is in Gold League. He's rank 16. I'm rank 15. I didn't expect to be rush match, but now he's rushing me. Just fast forward it. Wow. Dragonfly, Coyote, Grenadier, Sniper, and then Armadillo. I thought I'm gone. I lose this match. Nice attack by the enemy here. My buildings are not max. Oh no. I'm trying to defend here, at least try to stall. If I can defend this first wave, then I might have a chance to come back. Yes. My gold defense is so far reducing the attack. I think this is it. Almost defended. Snipers are very irritating, you know. As a conflict player, they are very irritating. Now fast forward to some. I'm trying to this one. Now enemy has retreated and he will be trying to go to level 4. That is the most logical choice. And I'm trying to scout the enemy base here. He has Hawk now. He's controlling 2 plex. Both the plex, I mean. Now I'm trying to take 1 flag. Wow. He's trying to sneak from the side of the base. Now I'm producing Typhoon, Torrent, Zeus, and some heavy assault. Now there is some small skirmish here, and he planted some mines there. Very resistance like play from the enemy. Invincible Ali. Now he has produced Chameleon. I mean level 3 and he is level 4 with Chameleon recipe. So with this existing units, I am not able to defend it, so I'll have to
Click on the bell
retreat
icon
for some
to get
time.
regular updates from Venus.
Now it's time for me to go to
Entertainment. Log on and subscribe.
level 4 headquarters as well.
/Venus.
Introducing the Forevermark Avanti collection.
Very difficult.
The future can unfold from a single
I think he should have
ripple.
attacked me with the JCP, but now he has
Can
destroyed
split
my airfield.
carrying you further than you ever imagined.
Wow!
Embrace the power of
Come on,
possibility.
defend it. I don't have shield
One
yet.
ripple can start a
I'm
wave.
upgrading my special factory to level 3 to produce some shield.
A diamond is forever.
Wow! Yes, Albatros now. All gone. This Albatros is not maxed out, I think. Otherwise, or maybe I have many anti-airs here. Let's fast forward a little bit also. Oh, he's attacking now from this side. That was not expected, but it is a good strategy. Now my units are all scattered. I don't know. Yes, Albatros also, but luckily it got destroyed for hitting my base.
कब मैंने ये सोचा था
Come on,
कब मैंने ये
burn them all.
कब मैंने ये सोचा था कब मैंने ये जाना था तुम इतने बदल जाओगे तुम इतना मुझे चाहोगे तुम इतना प्यार करोगे तुम यूं इकरार करोगे मेरे महबूब मेरे सनम
Come on. Why is my shield going alone?
मेरे महबूब
I think this is time for counter attack.
शुक्रिया मेहरबानी
But I have to position my units.
कब मैंने ये सोचा
Now he's attacking from this side. Yeah, I have to defend.
बदल जाओगे तुम इतना मुझे
There's some cyclone here.
इतना प्यार करोगे तुम यूं इकरार करोगे मेरे महबूब मेरे सनम
Two side attack.
शुक्रिया मेहरबानी
It is going on here and there. So it's very nice view.
महबूब मेरे सनम
He has retreated because his base is in danger. He won't be able to destroy my base because I have many defenses, but he does not have any defense, so he has to retreat and defend his base from my rushing units. Let us see. This will also be gone. Yes, Albatros. Come on.
आँखों में
He is already.
गर्मी है पहले तो नहीं थी सांसों में जो गर्मी है पहले तो नहीं थी
Torrent is. Oh, he has this nuclear. He already built nuclear. He's very fast. I don't know how much resource difference is there between rank 15 and 16. Okay, let's fast forward.
पहले तो नहीं आती थी तुमको ये अदाएं आज कितने हंसी है सितम शुक्रिया मेहरबानी करम मेरे महबूब मेरे